Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by opening Settings and finding Notifications or Apps. Do this now. Once there, locate the specific app that's sending messages because we'll change its behavior directly. You need access to its notification toggle and app permissions. Make sure you can see badge, sound, and lock screen options. If the app isn't obvious, use the search bar in Settings. This first step stops broad noise and gives you precise controls to adjust next. Once done with settings, change the app's notification types. Turn off banners, sounds, and badges to remove interruptions. Then revoke message or SMS permissions if the app has direct messaging access. This prevents future pushes. For persistent background pushes, disable background data or app refresh. If you want temporary silence, enable Do Not Disturb and add the app to exceptions as needed. These steps stop both visible alerts and hidden. To finish, restart your device and send a test message or trigger from the app to confirm alerts are gone. If messages still appear, clear the app cache or reinstall it. That removes stuck settings. Make sure account-level notification settings inside the app are set to off, because some push services override system controls. If problems continue, check for linked devices or contact app support. One troubleshooting tip. A fresh reinstall plus reboot resolves most stubborn notification issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.